Today we're going to read in the Common Core book, page 85. It's an article, we're going to read it, following your book, after which you can access the assignment. Weaver bird nests. The weaver bird is a good nest builder. It cuts strips or strings from leaves. It makes its nest with these strips. The bird joins strips together to build its home. How does the bird tie the strips? It holds one end of a strip down with a foot. It moves the other end with its mouth. First, the bird wraps a strip around a twig on a tree. Next, it builds the opening to the nest. Then it makes the walls of the nest. It uses the strips of the leaves to make the walls. Some weaver birds work together. They build enormous nests. These very big nests are like prairie dog burrows. They have many rooms. Some are for sleeping. Other rooms are just for mothers and their babies. Some weaver birds catch fireflies. They stick them to the walls of their nest. Can you guess what happens? The fireflies light up the nest. Right, we are going to move to the assignment now. There, I will read to you the questions and you can stop the recording at any time. Right, thank you for listening. Let's move on to the assignment.